OMG, what do she have on? She ratchet. Her lace front is all wrong. Cause she rich. Give me the phone. I'm finna take this hell for a picture. Cause she ratchet. Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter. You know you ratchet. Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. See you ratchet. Boy, bye. Now with them shoes on. He ratchet. Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her face. I can't stand her.
Today I will be defining the word ratchet. Wait, not the tool, the slang term. The word ratchet is used among teenagers today. However, many older generations may not understand what this word means, and it is slowly dying. Who knows what will replace this word? The word ratchet can simply be defined as being stupid, reckless, inelegant, disrespectful, rude, and just downright nasty. Now, the tool term for ratchet is defined as a device consisting of a bar or wheel allowing motion in one direction. Also, it can be a situation or a process that is perceived to be deteriorating or changing. But I'm not here to teach you about the tool ratchet. So let me show you how to be ratchet.
Circles are good, okay? Circles. And then you spell your name sometimes. When you being real serious, spell your name, okay? Right here.
Still with
so
that
you
finger.
don't know me like that, cause you don't know me like that. Okay? You if you not clapping, they can't hear you. Like they cannot hear what you're saying.
What?
What else is there?
I already taught them most of the stuff. Like if you want to really if you are serious about being ratchet, you gonna bounce like this.
Yup.
You gonna bounce.
Can you use namaste in a sentence?
Well, my girl Kikiana, she asked me did I want to go to the club, and I said, namaste home. Namaste. So, me and my boo was walking down the street, and this chick gonna look at him. I turns around and says, who is you looking at?
And that's how you act ratchet.